Morning everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. This morning we've got this 2014 Peugeot 3008. This one's a 2-litre TDI Allure model, 6-speed automatic, not to be confused with the EGS that you get in the 1.6s and the hybrids. This is fully automatic. It's done 80,000 miles. It's got 10 services, 2 owners, and it's finished in Borrasca blue with the partial leather interior. It's got front and rear parking sensors, fixed pan roof, head-up display. It's got the bigger 18-inch alloys. They're an upgrade. It's got the privacy glass, the folding mirrors. Absolutely clean as a whistle, this car. Very, very nice throughout. It's got parking camera as well, reverse camera. Really super example. Lovely colour. It's like a steel grey stroke blue. It's beautiful. There's no scratches or anything like that. Got to expect a few little stone chips and bits and bobs, but overall excellent. Anybody that views this car will not be disappointed. Really nice. I'll just show you inside of the vehicle. Start with the boot. So the 3008s have a split tailgate with the adjustable floor. As you can see there, you can lower that, higher it, put it wherever you want, it suits you best. I like it there, so you can put your heavy shopping on the bottom and your bread and stuff on the top. Inside it's got the part black leather interior with the black centres, all super clean as you can see. It's got the Isofix in the rear armrest, storage compartments in the floor, the rear blinds. Really nicely spec'd car, that lovely glass roof. All the same in the front. Super condition. That driver's seat's barely got any wear on it, as you can see there. Electric window switches, all in really nice condition. Folding mirrors. 3-spoke leather steering wheel, which again, absolutely excellent. Some of these peel, and this one looks like it's barely been used. It's got 80,983 miles on the clock. I'm just going to crack the car up so you can see there's no warning lights or anything like that. I just need to get the key out of my pocket. There we go, sorry about that. So that's the first start of the day. The vehicle's not been anywhere, and you've just seen it starts without issue. There are no warning lights or anything like that. Got your head-up display up there, if you can see that. It's a really cool feature. Got your navigation with your media display and your radio. I believe we've also got, if I can figure out how you use it, because anybody that's bought a car of me will know that me and technology don't get along. Change media, there we go. Bluetooth streaming, USB, CD, and just your standard auxiliary input. Got Bluetooth phone as well. And I'm just going to leave it there because I'll make a fool of myself. It does have reverse cam. If I can get it off the media, there we go. See what I mean? Tech and me, not big friends. Everything else, immaculate. As I say, we've got 10 services, a really well looked after example. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.